Welcome back, everyone, to NYU Grads Daily Podcast. It's Wednesday, October 18th, after market hours. Let's jump right in. Very crazy day today. I was not expecting such a quick move. I did post on Substack Notes that we can potentially, if 43.80 does not hold, zoom down to 43.35, and we did that today, all in one session, which was kind of crazy. Just kind of taking a look at breadth numbers before we go into the summary of the day. This is just a habit that I think you all should potentially do. This is definitely a habit for me every day. So today we had 70 new highs, 619 new lows. So again, this ratio of stronger new lows versus new highs has been persistent, whether we had green or red days. 17% were advancing versus 78% declining. 78% are trading below the 50-day, and 70% are below the 200 right now. When I look at breadth, it was pretty much controlled heavy selling all day, and the only two areas that were strong were anything that was bullish on yields or energy or volatility. Every sector was red except for energy, so that's kind of like the summary of the day. Things that stuck out, I'll kind of go backwards here. So Tesla closed at 242 in the afternoon. It was down 4.8% on the day ahead of the earnings, and after the earnings it popped, but then once the earnings call started, it's down considerably. After hours, I'm looking on real-time charts right now. It has a low of 230, and it bounced a little bit. It's at 233 right now as of 7:50 New York time. So not too good. I didn't listen to it. I'll try to listen to it before the open, but I would imagine it has something to do with China, and it has probably something to do with the Cybertruck. Netflix also closed down for the day, but it's up very big after hours. They are announcing price increases. So if you can't expand your top line, you increase prices like everyone else. So it's up big, but keep in mind this has been crushed multi-year. I, as well as many others that I know in the financial world, are looking to potentially short Netflix very soon if it can go up to where it broke down. Looking at transports, it looked really bad. Transport semi-crashed on Wednesday. JB Hunt is down huge after earnings. Caterpillar, not in transport obviously, but just in manufacturing and construction equipment, they're down big as well. Priceline down big. Lam Research down after hours, pretty large loss as well. Morgan Stanley near yearly lows. You have Goldman that gave up almost all of its earning pop today, also near its yearly lows. BlackRock close to new yearly lows. This is all bad news. The broader markets had a red open, already started on a bad foot and sold off all day. So yeah, it was ugly. The 10-year yield is at 4.9%. Not good for risk assets, not good for home buyers, not good for anyone trying to refinance their corporate debt. This morning I have posted on Substack a article that Bill Cara had brought to my attention. The title was Citadel Battle with the SEC, What You Need to Know. It covers a lot of the HFT, high-frequency trading that's going on against Main Street traders. And, there's really no way you can win on a daily basis, on a minute-to-minute basis. If you do 100 trades in a day against Citadel, you're not going to win. So definitely take a look at that. I also posted on Substack notes, but I'll repost it on the show notes. There's a leaked recording of Lennar executives basically saying to their partners who are the construction builders, the window installers, the carpet and wood flooring contractors, basically asking them to take less money. They're saying, Lennar is saying, hey, all the other builders did not promise the street, Wall Street, a 10% increase in volume of builds in 2024. We have, so that should make you want to pick working with Lennar versus like Pulte or Toll Brothers. And if you take less margin or fees, we will pass that along to the consumer. So they're in a pinch. And they noted that they had a lot of land leases that they need to convert. So not good news there. And we closed well into the day lows. Intraday, NVIDIA and Tesla were being sold up very hard. I'll post all these charts in the show notes. It's just heavy control selling all day. So keep watching for the Magnificent Seven, yield, earnings, economic data, geopolitical risk. I will see you guys after the Thursday session. Later.